Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload documents in Confluence page. To begin, open Confluence and navigate to the overview page for your workspace. This is the starting point where you can access the pages available in the space. Once the overview page loads, take a moment to locate the left-hand navigation panel, since that is where you will find the page you want to update. In the left navigation, click on Sample Page. This will open the page where you want to add your document. Make sure you are on the correct page before moving forward, especially if your workspace includes several similarly named pages. Confirming this now can help prevent uploading a file to the wrong location. After the page opens, look at the top toolbar. In that toolbar, click on the Add Image option. Even though the label may refer to images, this area is also where file upload options can appear while editing content in Confluence. If you do not immediately see it, scan across the toolbar carefully and make sure the page is in an editable state. Next, click on Choose a File. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to select the document you want to upload. At this point, it helps to already know where your file is saved so you can move through the selection process quickly. If your files are organized into folders by project or category, simply browse to the correct location. Now browse for your sample document and upload it. Select the file you want, then confirm your choice in the file browser so Confluence can begin attaching or inserting it into the page. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, the upload may take a few moments. It's a good idea to wait until the upload fully completes before clicking elsewhere on the page. Once the document has been uploaded, review the page to make sure the file appears where you expect it to. This quick check helps confirm that the upload was successful and that the document is available to anyone who has access to the page. If needed, you can also make sure the file name is clear and easy for others to recognize. That's all it takes to upload documents in a Confluence page. Following these steps helps keep important files organized and accessible directly within your team's documentation space.